Hello, Standard 8. Subject General Science and lesson number 11, Cells and Cells Organelles. Now I am Kumar sir here and video number 10.1. In this video, osmosis process in plant cells as well as in animal cells. Look at this picture here. What happened during in plant cells? Here, excess of water inside the cells, therefore, is a hypertonic solution. In figure number 2, here inside water and outside water both are level are same, therefore isotonic solution. And third, in this way, third is that outside water is excess, therefore enter into the cells. This is known as hypotonic cell. This is in hypertonic cell, their cell has more water than outside medium, so water comes out of the cell. Example, in fruits, pieces are kept in thick saturated solution. म्हणजेच फळांचं काही जे फळ असेल तर साखरेच्या द्रावणामध्ये टाकलं तर काय होणार आहे, द वॉटर फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स पीसेस एंटर द शुगर सोल्युशन. म्हणजे त्या फळांमध्ये असणारं पाणी या शुगर सोल्युशनमध्ये येणार. सो द फ्रूट पीसेस श्रिंक आफ्टर व्हाईल. इफ प्लांट सेल और एनिमल सेल इज केप्ट इन हायपरटोनिक सोल्युशन, water comes out the cell by process by exoosmosis and there is contraction of cytoplasm. म्हणजे अतिपरसरळी द्रावणात ठेवलेल्या प्राणीपेशी किंवा वनस्पती पेशीतील पाणी बहिर्परिसरण प्रक्रियेमुळे बाहेर पडते आणि पेशीद्रव्ये आकसते. या क्रियेला रस संकोच म्हणजेच प्लाझ्मोलायसिस असे म्हटले जाते. मग याचं एक्झाम्पल या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सांगता येईल ते असं. हिअर one question is asked here, like this question: keep 4 to 5 raisins in water and observe after an hour. Afterward, keeps the same raisins in sugar solution and observe after an hour. Note down the observation and discuss in the classroom. Here answer is that when raisins are kept in water, its outer skin acts as semi-permeable membrane. The water contained inside the raisin is lesser as compared to the water contained in the outside medium. Therefore, the water enter in the raisins due to process of osmosis. Thus, if raisins kept in plain water are observed after 1 hour, they are seen to be swollen. On the other hand, if raisins are kept in sugar solution, they show plasmolysis and they shrink. The sugar solution acts as hypertonic medium. Water contained in resin is higher than that present the sugary solution. Thus, water exists from resin and its content thus shrink. Second question is here: what wooden doors fits very tightly in rainy season. Why does it happen? म्हणजेच पावसाळ्यामध्ये लाकडी दरवाजे घट्ट बसतात असे का होते? ड्युरिंग रेनी सीझन देर इज मोर ह्युमिडिटी इन एअर. द डोअर गेट सोक्ड इन रेनवॉटर थ्रू वूड इज नॉन लिव्हिंग. इट हॅज द ability to absorb water as the moisture is more in the surrounding area. It enter the wood. This is type of endoosmosis. It causes the doors to swell. The swollen door then fit and very tightly. Now, third part of compound of cell is named as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, before it, one question is asked. Question is like this: how have you seen the fully turgid rectangular cells of onion peelings? म्हणजे ज्या वेळेस कांद्याच्या पापुद्र्यात भरपूर द्रवाने भरलेल्या आयताकृती पेशी तुम्ही पाहिल्या आहेत का? द आन्सर इज येस. अंडर द मायक्रोस्कोप रेक्टँग्युलर द सेल ऑफ ओनियन peeling were seen. And here cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. It is moving strictly substance. Many cells organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reaction. The part of cytoplasm other than organelles is the schistosol. Schistosol stores vital substances like amino acid, second glucose, third vitamin, etc. In animal cell, cytoplasm is more granular and this dense, while in plant cells it is thin and mostly pushed to the periphery due to large central vacuoles. त्यामुळे ते मध्ये दबलं जातं आणि त्या ठिकाणी मोठ्या आकृती रिक्तका त्या ठिकाणी तयार होत असतात. हिअर लुक ॲट दिस. इन ओनियन, ओनियन म्हणजे कांदा. इन ओनियन हिअर onion peeling, cells of onion peeling, second cell wall, nucleus, then cytoplasm and vacuole. Then cell organelles. In a cell organelles, मराठीत त्याला म्हटलं जातं पेशी अंगके. An organelles is a specialized subunit having specific function within the cell. They are organs of the cells. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane except nucleus and chloroplast. All other organelles can be seen only in electron microscope. म्हणजे काही जे इतर अंगकेही इलेक्ट्रॉन सूक्ष्मदर्शकाच्या मदतीनेच पाहता येतात. हिअर लुक ॲट दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप. Electron microscope like this. Electron microscope. In this electron microscope, हे म्हणजे केंद्रक आणि हरितलवक यांच्या व्यतिरिक्त इतर सर्व अंगके ही इलेक्ट्रॉन सूक्ष्मदर्शकाच्या मदतीने पाहता येतात. हा इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप आहे. यामध्ये आपल्याला ते बघायला मिळत असते. देन next is try this activity. Take a drop of water on a clean glass slide using an ice cream spoon. Gently scrape the inner surface of your cheek म्हणजे गाल. With a needle, transfer a little material from spoon to the water drop on the slide and spread it evenly. Put a drop on methylene blue stain on the smear. Put a cover slip and observe under microscope. Did you observe the cell with blue nucleus? Yes. The dark round spot seen under the microscope while observing the onion peeling stain with iodine is nucleus of the cell. Okay, here nucleus. The cell organelle first is nucleus. Nucleus. When observed under the electron microscope, we can see nucleus covered by a double layered membrane with small spores. म्हणजे दुहेरी आवरणाने असतं आणि त्या ठिकाणी छोटं छिद्र असतं. दिस स्पोर अलाउ टू पॅसेस ऑफ मटेरियल इन आउट ऑफ दिस न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस हॅज वन राउंड nucleus and network of chromatin fibers. Chromatin fibers are thin thread-like structure which condense to form short stick chromosome at the time of cell division. The function segment of chromosomes are called genes. The function of nucleus: it control all metabolic activity of the cell and also the cell division. म्हणजेच पेशींच्या सर्व चयापचय क्रिया आणि पेशी विभाजन यांच्यावर नियंत्रण ठेवणे. सेकंड, जनुकाद्वारे अनुवंशिक गुणांचे संक्रमण पुढील पिढीकडे नेणे. इट इज इन्व्हॉल्ड इन द ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ हेरिडिटरी कॅरेक्टर फ्रॉम पॅरेंट टू ऑफस्प्रिंग्स. Here nucleus and chromatin and nucleus. Function of nucleus is first it controls all metabolic activities of cell and also the cell division. It is involved in the transmission of hereditary character from parent of offsprings. Okay, I stop here and look at this picture. Nucleus.